much better, much improvement in the last 2 weeks of practice. We came in as 24, actually more than that. I had to make cuts, but we came in as 24 individuals, and now we're coming out as 24 as a team. It's really good. It's really good.
I know you don't like to cut anybody, but it's a good indication of how popular.
Yeah,
soccer
yeah,
is.
exactly right, exactly. And that's tough, and especially the ones I had to let go. And it wasn't due to lack of effort, or it wasn't due to lack of potential. It was the fact that a couple of them hadn't touched the ball in a long time. A couple of them were severely out of shape. But that's good, because those are things that they can cure. Those are not things that I can cure or that teammates can cure, but those are things that are in their control, which is good, which is really good.
Talk about this schedule. You kind of play back-to-back days, and then you take a couple days off, and then you're playing two matches again. How is that going to work in terms of conditioning?
That's a great question. That's why we spent the last couple of weeks. A lot of the drills we do are very anaerobic drills. So a lot of what we're doing just on a daily basis are getting us in shape. I think we're going to peak just at the right time, just at the start of the season, getting ready for it. The bumps and bruises seem to be going quickly. Nothing serious from an injury standpoint. Before, when they were getting exhausted after one of our practices a day, now they're going strong. So it's good. It's looking good. I hate to say too much, because I don't want to be overly optimistic, or I don't want to be overly pessimistic either. So,
well, talk about your coaching style and how it relates to the players. They're all coming from different coaches, so they've got to get used to your style, your plays, and your sets. How is that coming?
Well, I like to coach a very indirect style of play. I don't like to just send it and run. So a lot of what we do is about ball control, ball control, ball control. You control the middle third of the field, and you'll control the game. I'm not a screamer. I'm not a yeller. My job's done at practices. Game time, my job at game time is to merely do an evaluation. What have I done well as a coach at practice, and what have I not done well at practice as a coach? And hopefully they're adapting to that style. Some of them come from styles where, the coach is irate. Sometimes they come from very passive coaches, and so I think after a couple weeks, and especially prior to our first game, it'll be 3 weeks, they will get used to me. I've certainly gotten used to their style of play. A great group of young men. I'm really proud of them. What can I say? You'll have to come out and watch us. How about that?